In lamb. Yo, exit. Wow, look at that. It was amazing. Alright, we headed back home. We're gonna have a barbecue in the roof. So yeah, we are very hungry and tired. We're gonna have a lamb barbecue. So we have our charcoal ready here, and we have the master chef of the barbecue, Lloydie.
What is this? Some lamb.
Yeah.
Some lamb chops, specially cut for us from the butcher.
Yes, exe.
So the spices that we've put on here is the garlic and then some chili that I just made, some chili sauce that I made today, and also just some barbecue spices.
Wow, it's smelling good. We have here some crepes, fresh, and we have some bread. So we're gonna do the butter sauce on the bread with this amazing lamb. Yo, exe. Oh, the smell is make me crazy. It's good. Master chef of the barbecue.
Oh.
It's killing you. Lloyd, run away. XA.
Juicy.
I love it.
Sweet.
It's very sweet and very fresh. gonna make here the sauce, the butter and the garlic sauce. So I already prepared the sauce. I made the garlic sauce. So garlic and butter, I melt them, and I add the chili sauce that Lloyd made today. So it's gonna be very spicy. Oh. So like that, the sauce in the bread. Like, wow, it's gonna be very spicy, as you see. So almost ready. It smells amazing. It's good. Wow, look at that, crunchy. Like, how you say that in English?
Crunchy, crispy.
Crispy. It looks very crispy, very delicious. Wow, look, it's amazing. Preparing my bread here.
خلاص ده
We're eating the bread on the charcoal with that flavory sauce. Wow! Come on, baby. It smells amazing. I cannot wait. Oh, it's really easy.
Yeah, it's burning.
And we have our bread ready and our meat ready. Wow, it's very juicy. Look at the juice. Oh my god. Look, it's so crunchy. Wow. The cooking of the lamb is amazing. It's very juicy and it's very tender. And that rich sauce, it makes it very rich of flavors. I'm gonna try this with the bread now. like magical. Alright guys, our vlog come to an end. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe. Peace. Lloyd, really tired. Yalla, peace. Bye. Thank you for watching.